We will learn Chapter 6 Tissues. Introduction. If you would try to explain someone what your body is made up of, you might say the body is made up of two arms, two legs, and hair. Or you can say billions of cells. Actually, both the answers would be correct. We can say that body is composed of different type of tissues. But what does this word mean? What exactly does this tissue mean? Let's see. From the last chapter, we recall that all living organisms are made up of cells. Also, we had learned different types of organisms, that is unicellular and multicellular. In unicellular organism, a single cell performs all basic functions. For example, in amoeba, single cell which carries out movement, intake of food, respiration and excretion. But what about multicellular organisms? In multicellular organisms, there are millions of cells. Most of these cells are specialized to carry out few functions. Both plants and animals are considered as multicellular organisms. They work as a team to keep the organism alive. So here, the teamwork done by different cells to keep the particular organism alive. For example, humans. It is easy to feel muscles in the body that the movement of running or walking done by our muscles. This activity done by the contraction and relaxation of muscle cells. Do you remember the nerve cells? The function of nerve cells to carry messages from brain to different parts of the body. And blood. The function of blood is to transport oxygen, food, hormone and waste material and so on. Like animals, plants are also multicellular organisms. In plants, muscular tissues are present for conducting food and water from two different parts of the plant. In short, remember, multicellular organism work is divided into different group of cells to perform efficiently. For example, if in a company different workers has a specific task, in the same way in our body different cells have different and specific work. What is the advantage of this is called as division of labor. What is the advantage of this division of labor? This division of labor ensures smooth and efficient functioning of the organism. Also, different function can be performed at the same time. That cells specializing in one function are grouped together in a body. That means a particular function is carried out by a group of cells at definite place in the body. As nerve cells has only one function to carry the messages from brain to different parts of the body. In the same way, blood cells has its one specific function, muscle cells has their one specific function. These all cells group together and form tissues. So now let's see the definition of tissue. Group of cells that are similar in structure together to achieve a particular function forms a tissue. This is the definition of the tissue. So, after learning the definition of the tissue, the next comes that are plants and animals made up of same type of tissues? Before giving answer of this question, another one question is there. Do plants and animals have same structure and function? Answer is no. Plants and animals do not have same structure and function. There is noticeable difference between plants and animals. Have you ever seen plants move? Plants cannot move. They cannot move from one place to other. So most of the tissues are the supportive tissue which can give structural strength to the plant. Therefore, most of the tissues present in plant are dead because they need less maintenance. On the other hand, if we talk about animals, animals has to move around in search of food. They consume more energy than plant. Therefore, most of the tissues are living. So, in humans, they have to move around in search of food. They consume more energy than plant, and therefore most of tissues are living. We will learn in detail types of tissues, types of plant tissues and types of animal tissues in next video.